This is a quick video to introduce you to the new features in PCDART 715.4 that should be out in June or thereabouts. The first thing we're going to look at is close-up groups. You'll be able to access those with File and then Management Options and then close-up groups. We've already got some filled out there for you. There's more details on this in the help menu, or if you want have any other questions that can't get answered with what's in the help menu, please give us a call at Dairy Records. We'd be more than happy to help you suss that out. Those database items can be accessed through the reports. And if you take a look here at the reports, you've got close-up date and days and close-up group. Previous days and close-up groups. The same thing is for groups X and Y. And this is what the report would look like. It lays all that out for you. The next thing we need to take a look at is we've added an option to calculate money corrected milk. Again, this is in the help menu, and we're more than happy to talk to you over the phone about it. You'll set that up by going to the input desk, then to money corrected milk, and you can build this based on the component market or your fluid market, whichever you participate in. You can also, if you don't report feed, you can still use this. You just have to indicate that the feed is not reported. You'll fill in at least the fields that have an asterisk beside them. And that's permanent. That stays there unless you overwrite it with an offload or something like that. Where you're going to find that then in a report. You've got all your money corrected milk database items. Also, we've made changes to the daily value of product and the current estimated income over feed cost based on that money corrected milk. And this is what it would look like if we previewed the report. There you see your daily value of product. There's no income over feed cost on this particular herd because they don't report feed. But you'll see how you've got your money corrected milk information on there as well. The next update that we've made to PCDART is adding a preg check method to the vet check input and the database item that goes with that. If you go to input desk, vet repro check, select an animal, code her pregnant, you now have the ability to add a method. Those methods are either blood, milk, palpation, or ultrasound. And you can find these on reports with database item 656, which is the preg check method. And now you can see this last column. It's only indicated by the letter, but they're pretty obvious which is which. The last couple things we need to talk about are milking machine and monitoring interface changes that we've made. We've added the ENGS heat monitoring interface. The cow breed and barn name can now be sent to DelPro. And in addition to that, with DelPro, the calf ID, sex, and calving ease are transferred when the calving dates go over. In Laley, we've added automatic sending of data for heifers and dry cows if the transponder numbers are in PCDART. For those that have the same system for milking machine interfaces and heat monitoring system, the heat transponder numbers can be entered to the transponder screen in addition to that milking machine interface transponder. And we've also added the heat seeker RFIDs, that's sending of that to Smart Dairy. We've also modified the test day scan so that it will stop on any need ID animals for any type of test less than 40. That means any of those official type tests. And we've also added an optional finance charge statement to anyone that's using the on-farm billing invoice. This is a quick overview of PCDART 7.15.4 new features. Again, if you have any questions, please give us a call at Dairy Records. Thanks.